The FDA announced a recall for about 79,200 pounds of Costco butter. The reason? The product packaging failed to mention that it contains milk. The recall covers 1,300 cases, or 46,800 pounds, of Kirkland's signature unsalted sweet cream butter, and 900 cases, or 32,400 pounds, of the salted version. According to an FDA document, the butter lists the word cream, but may have omitted the ever so important, quote, contains milk statement. The FDA classifies its recalls into 3 levels, with Class 3 for products least likely to cause health issues, and Class 1 for products most likely to cause serious health consequences or death. The Kirkland butter situation falls under Class 2, which means the product could cause temporary or reversible health consequences, or has a remote likelihood of leading to serious complications. While the issue may seem obvious, the labeling mishap violates the Food Allergen Labeling and Consumer Protection Act of 2004. The law identifies milk as one of 8 major foods or food groups that accounts for 90% of food allergies in the US. Therefore, according to the Act, a product that includes one of these major allergens must feature a label that clearly identifies it. When referring to the food source, the label must include the word contains, and print it immediately next to or after the list of ingredients in a font size no smaller than the ingredient size. It must also use the quote common or usual name of the ingredient. Texas manufacturer Continental Dairy Facilities Southwest produced the recalled butter and distributed it throughout the Lone Star State. The product's best by dates run through February and March 2025. I'm Nolan Beilstein. This is Manufacturing Now.